You've poured countless hours into perfecting your candles, and you have fragrances that your customers can't get enough of. Now, take those same winning scents and offer them in Lotion. Lotion's a product that's easy to add into your line and make with just a few supplies. In this video, we'll walk you through producing a larger batch of lotion so you can see how easy it is to expand your product line and grow your business. As you know, one key to scaling your business is working efficiently. Rather than creating multiple smaller batches, prepping larger quantities of any product you make is going to save time and improve those profit margins. If you're new to making bath and body products, it's incredibly easy to create luxurious feeling scented lotion with our Aloe and Shea lotion base. And it's simple to prepare a larger batch of lotion by using some common equipment and smart production techniques. First, let's talk about the equipment. I'll be using a stand mixer, which is fantastic for batching lotion because of the bowl's larger capacity. And this machine also does the work of mixing the base and fragrance together, which I love because it frees me up to do other production tasks. For this batch, I'll also be using a hot plate and pot filled with water as a double boiler. Because the mixer bowl is metal, this is the preferred method to warm the lotion base to the desired 100 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. Now, if you have a mixer with a glass bowl, you can heat the lotion base more quickly in a microwave. This saves time in the production, but you must be careful. Heat the base in 10-second intervals and don't exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Heating the lotion base past this point can compromise the preservatives in it that prevent bacteria growth. And for the final piece of equipment, I'll be using a piston funnel. After the lotion's made, I'll use the piston funnel to quickly and neatly dispense the lotion into the bottles. Now that the lotion base has reached the desired temperature, it's time to add the pre-weighed fragrance oil and get the mixer going. Use a lower speed setting to gently combine the fragrance for the recommended 15 to 30 minutes. There's no need to whip this base. Similar to baking, I'm going to pause the mixer a couple of times to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now, if lotion becomes a big part of your business, you'll eventually want to graduate to a specialized filling machine. But this funnel is terrific when you're getting started because it's affordable, allows you to fill bottles pretty quickly, and it gets the job done. After the bottles are filled and the pump lids are on, the final step is labeling. And that's it. You've just taken your best-selling candle scent and turned it into another beautiful product for your customers to enjoy. Ready to add scented lotion to your product line? Visit our site to explore this base and others that support your business expansion today.